Hey guys, what's up everybody? Today's video we will be opening a cello pack of the new Mosaic. Quentin hasn't seen these yet. These are super cool looking. We bought 3 of them. We ended up selling 2 of them, but we wanted to keep one, open it up, see what we can get. So without further ado, and of course, can't get it. All right, so what do we have here? We have 2 regular packs. And this pack right here is the pink prisms, the pink camo. You get 3 of those. So, let's see what we can do. Let's see if we can get any of the rookies. Let's see, we got Dorian Finney-Smith. Nikola Vucevic. Striking out so far. It's all good. Malik Monk. That's a strikeout. If you ever play with him in 2K, good luck. His shot. Ooh, nice. James Harden MVP. Take that. Even though I think LeBron James should have got the MVP both the... James Harden won it twice or once? Once. Either way, LeBron should get it every year he's in the NBA. My opinion. Oh, there's your man. There's your man, Dame Dollar. You love him, huh? You love playing with him, that give and go. That's nice. Keep that for yourself if you want. It's up to you. If you want to keep that. And we got KZ Akpala. Rookie. All right. So, put this. Get that out of there. Put this pile right over there. All right. Let's get into the second pile. We got James Harden MVP. We'll have to do a recap at the end. Why can't I get this pack open now? Ay, ay, ay. Oh, nice. Got one for the, I saw one for the PC in the back. We got a KCP. He's so on and off for them. Brian Forbes, however he pronounces that. Man, come on, one time with a hot one, huh? Rajon Rondo. I love Rondo. I'm going to keep that for ourselves from the Celtic days. Put that over there. Daniel House Jr. He stepped it up this year for them. He started playing a lot better. Eric Pascal, NBA debut, rookie. Decent. He was okay going over. And that's for the PC. We got Taco. Yeah. We love Taco. We really think Taco should get a lot more playing time. Hopefully he does when basketball comes back. We love Taco. Taco. All right. Well, nothing crazy, but got a couple cards that we personally will like. Just the Harden one isn't all that bad either. Let's see what we got for prisms. Cody Zeller. Oh, pink camos, they call it. Landry's my man. I love playing with this guy in 2K. And me and Quentin go at it with Landry from that. Oh, it's great. And Cameron Johnson, rookie. You never know what happens with him. So, let's do a quick recap. What was your favorite? We got the taco. Taco's for us.
Taco's my favorite.
Rondo's for us. Basketball's not bad. KCP, KZ. The Harden's not bad. The Dame Dollar. And then we got these rookies. Or that rookie, I should say. They aren't rookies. All right. Well, that was fun. We hadn't ripped any of those. We saw a lot of it get ripped, so figured we'd give it a shot, but we'll take that. And that. Q loves Dame Dollar, so. All right, guys. Thank you so much. Comment below if anybody likes any of these cards. If you like any of these cards, the Shamet, Zeller, Daniel House, Bryn Forbes, KCP, KZ Akpala, Malik Monk, Vujovic, Dorian Finney-Smith. I don't know if anyone is fans of those guys, but if so, just comment. We'd love to send it to you. All right? See you later, guys.
And check out our TikTok channel.
Yeah, TikTok. Quentin just made it. Card Currency. Instagram. And, yeah, follow, subscribe. Thanks, everybody.